Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, do not forget to give us a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. Don't forget to share our video. Anytime you view the video, share it to your friends so that other people can watch it as well. The matter wey dey for table today, they say the PM Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, have tweeted. He say, "We are calling on all Biafra residing in Niger Republic to immediately denounce Nigeria and start identifying yourself as a Biafra to avoid being killed." Simon Ekpa. My people, una don see am, na so him write am o, na so we put am. What do you think about what Simon Ekpa said? Do you support him on that, or do you think otherwise? Leave the comment below. Let's go ahead and look onto the latest ogbonge news we will get today for hand. They say one policeman, they don arrest some policeman and they don collect woto. We will go ahead and read that, the wetin happen for that side as we just dey waka o. They say we come look o, say problem dey for this side. Because anywhere where they happen, that there they see us, we go land bam, come carry our camera, the video. We'll bring the latest update. May you see what happen for that area. Stay tuned. They say for viral video where they trend though, viral video, Nigeria police arrested the 10th officer caught extorting money from youth by Oshu Assembly speaker. They say this policeman don't collect woto. You know, this thing they happen for east where police go stop you, say, "Can I see your phone?" They go search your phone. If they quickly see any mistakenly picture, maybe white picture, you don't enter gbese, your name don't turn to Yahoo. Like this, you don't pay. And they say this policeman, you don't tell whether they stay for that junction, they collect money. Once they see you, you go do transfer. If you no go do transfer, they go beat you woto. Today, the Osho Assembly speaker don't give them woto for back as well. Move go ahead, go read that waiting there for our table today. They say wahala dey o. This one shock me. We go read and come outside though. Stay tuned. Watch the video of when the police and the Oshu House of Speaker they do gidi kata. May you watch the video. After the video, then we'll read the next ogbonge news wey we go for hand today.
The police, they stop the youth in Osun State and they collect money from the youth. They make transfer to the police and the Mr. Speaker is collecting back the money right away with immediate effect. This is the officer. Mr. Speaker is here.
Officer, come here.
Mr. Speaker,
Video there.
taking it easy with them.
They say Nigeria police don't carry and come again no. Like you know, na so they trust news. They don't kill non-government, they don't kill IPOB, they don't kill Biafra defense, they don't kill this one. Now they don't announce today again, say today they don't win. Hey, move go ahead, go read them as they talk am. Nigeria police announced raid on alleged IPOB and ESN camp in Enugu, key 3, others wounded. Hey, welcome back my people. Shey they see am. So now so they key, they show us one picture. Why they show for this background? Every time they go, they show us that picture. They don't kill, they don't read. So if you there for Enugu, may you confirm this news. Where Nigeria police they claim say they don't kill IPOB, they don't kill ESN. Now so we they hear them every time. Sometimes say they go show us picture, show us video. People go they confess, they talk so many things, but you know those things IPOB say no be true, say no be them. So very soon now you go see IPOB go come right, say these people wey una say una kill no be IPOB member o, we no know them o. Otilo. My people, na so we see am today o, na so we talk am. We will see you in the next episode, but abeg may you try to share our video and also run go subscribe for our YouTube channel and follow this page as well. Thank you so much for watching.